Hi, I'm Willie and I want you to picture this. Glimmering lights, dry heat, cocktails flowing like water. Also, the sights, the smells, and the sounds of late-stage capitalism, and the dream of winning a fortune off of almost nothing. Welcome to Las Vegas.
I'm so excited!
But while all these dreams are happening, or maybe your dreams are dying, you have to rest your head somewhere. Today I want to talk to you about the Luxor. It's a niche-themed hotel that looks like an ominous pyramid with a giant beam of light that comes out when the sun goes down. And it's also a monument to time gone by, and it's kind of like sand slipping through your fingers. And that's a metaphor because it's Egyptian themed and there's a lot of sand in Egypt. If you can remember the 90s, this property has a lot of significance. I saw it on various television programs, and I even remember like a little documentary about it, which I found on YouTube. And I also discovered its true magic by watching the classic film Showgirls. And Nomi is like posed outside in front of the big Sphinx. Anything from Showgirls is worth exploring deeper. It's one of the greatest movies of all time. And this hotel is kind of following suit. Internet lore says it's haunted, especially the 12th floor, which is where I stayed. It was just a real sensory experience. So it's like the giant pyramid. There's a huge pool. It is on the strip. It's connected to both of those trams, so you can easily get around. Everything about the exterior is amazing, and everything about the interior seems like at one point it was beyond amazing. Hieroglyphics on the back wall. It went through a pretty extensive revamp and remodel in 2021. It's also extremely affordable. We were there a few weeks ago, and when we booked, it was like $23, and that was before that weird kind of varying resort fee. The hotel is basically like a giant atrium, and inside there is a Titanic exhibit. There's also a show called Particle Inc., which looks very cool. There is a burlesque show called Fantasy, and also the one and only Carrot Top has a continuing residency at the Luxor. So I guess you really never have to leave, and I guess a missed opportunity because I left. Am I on vacation in Egypt? No. I'm at the Luxor. Oh, look at that. That is so gross. That's what the top looks like. Don't look into the illusion. This hotel is very convenient. It was a very cheap Uber ride from the airport. I was able to check in via the MGM app. Now we're waiting to check in. Technology, it's always a gamble. I had champagne. I'm very, very happy. So here's what I thought of the room. I may or may not have been drinking, which makes it a little more fun and probably a little more earnest. And I think I had a little less filter. Hi. I'm going to give you a tour of my room. Oh, hi. I don't have the card, but I'm pretending. So I want to give you an exhaustive look at all of the features of the Luxor Hotel. We are in the Pyramid King, and for my own reference, this is the day before we check out, but the room has been cleaned, so this will be the experience you'll get. First off, we're going to start at the door. There is the housekeeping sign, and this is also the deadbolt. And then we're going to move through. I'm going to point out that the carpet in our room is very clean, and I really like that. And I watched a few reviews on these rooms before I came. I'm a wee bit drunk right now, but I watched a few reviews about these rooms before I came. And I was actually thinking they were going to be way worse, but I actually love this hotel. And it's very kitschy, and if that's not your thing, you might not like it, but I thought it was fantastic. And the housekeeping staff here is so good that makes it a real pleasure to stay in these rooms. But next, let's see, we're going to start with this folding mirror. So you can purchase your, promotion, not even promotional. I guess I'm repping for companies and paying for t-shirts. I bought a Luxor t-shirt, I bought a Meow t-shirt, and I bought a Lady Gaga sweatshirt. I can look at myself and my paid for merch right in this mirror. This is the bathroom. Pause to appreciate a print by Damon Clark. I'm guessing it's a repo, but who knows. The amenities here are hand wash, a hair dryer right here, tissues, body lotion, an incredibly powerful toilet. The shower is incredible because it's very, very high pressure. Body wash and shampoo are mounted in there. Fun fact, this tile is the exact tile in a different shade that I had in my previous house. It's very exciting. So I felt right at home. Next up, we have this giant bar, credenza, and closet. You can put all your stuff in here. They furnish 6 hangers. I have multiple jumpsuits in there. This is a cup from Happy Lemon that I got earlier today. This very large bar that is a dry bar. Buku drawers. This, I feel like I thought was going to be a mini fridge. It's not. Real marble top. Ice bucket with faux crocodile accoutrements. Giant TV. That's bigger than I was expecting, but also the volume is very strange in Vegas hotels, which I can remember. Let's see. We have a luggage rack, air conditioner that's pretty cold, but like not that cold. Like I want it to be colder, right? I feel like a little bit. This wallpaper is really good. It's textured. 2 chairs that, according to 2 or 3 other reviews of Luxor rooms, came from the Bellagio. I have no idea if that's true. This view is epic. We're on like the mountain side of Vegas, which this is going to be so anticlimactic because you can't see anything besides reflection. But if you could see out there, you would see many lights of the city and the mountains. And that's just a bag. The room is very warm. There's a heat advisory. I'm going to shut this because I'm not giving away a free show, you know? This wallpaper actually, though, all kidding aside, I really want in my house. It's so pretty. It's like metallic. It's really cool. Desk. Guys that give me by Dysmorphia magazine. A completely whited out lamp with switch that matches the white. Let's see. There's a chair that is faux leather, but that late 90s kind of faux leather. Very luxurious. Square trash can. 2 nightstands that are very substantially sized. A blue lamp. A winged headboard. This is a king bed. These mattresses are really good. I will say I slept really good, although we were on the 12th floor, and I read online the 12th floor is haunted, and it is haunted specifically by a blonde ghost that puts their hands around your throat, and then you can't breathe. And none of that happened to me here. But I still have 1 night left.
I'm so scared!
Here is the detritus of my trip. Another lamp, 4 pillows. Another Damon Clark print here. More of this really great wallpaper. Whoever picked these wallpapers here did a really good job. A thermostat that I think is like a placebo effect. I don't think it matters what you put the temperature at because ours is at 65 the whole time we've been here and the AC continues to run. And then we're back where we began. We've been in Vegas for 5 days. I'm really ready to go home, but I had the best time ever. It's like everything right and wrong in the world. It was vacation. I was in love with everything. I hope you enjoyed that room tour. My only complaints for the room was it gets really hot during the day, but it was like 115 degrees when we were there. They do have like a black sun shield on the windows. It has a beautiful view of the desert, but it's still very, very hot. I like anything with intentionality, and I like anything that just makes me feel transported and facilitates an escape from impending domestic malaise. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you stayed at the Luxor? Are you looking to stay at the Luxor on your next trip to Las Vegas? Thanks for watching. You're the best. Okay. Bye. Goodbye, Luxor.